Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set your laptop microphone as the default device. So let's get started. If you want to make sure your computer is using the correct microphone, whether it's your laptop's built-in mic or an external one, here's how to do it step by step. First, look for the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on it and select Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, you'll see two main sections, Output and Input. Output is where you select where your sound comes from, like your laptop speakers or headphones. Input is where you choose your microphone. Here, you can pick the device you want to use. For example, if you have an external microphone, like a Yeti Stereo Microphone, select it here. If you want to use your laptop's built-in microphone, choose Microphone Array or the option labeled for your laptop. For more advanced settings, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. In the new window, go to the Recording tab. This shows all microphones connected to your system. Select the microphone you want to use and click Set Default to make it the main device. It's also a good idea to disable any microphones you aren't using. Simply right-click on the device and select Disable. This helps prevent your system from picking the wrong microphone. Now your preferred microphone is set as the default and ready to use for calls, recordings, or streaming. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.